One of the benefits of bringing the Access system in-house is that your identifications are immediate. You can get an ID within minutes and have results and reporting within that same day.
With older ID methods, it could take days, weeks, which when customers are trying to release product to the market, that time matters. And rather than wait, they can get accurate results almost in real time.
The Bruker MALDI-TOF uses proteotypic method, so it's a laser that hits the protein to get a spectra, and that's how we're able to generate a microbial ID. And with the database that Accugenix has, we'll be able to get an ID really quickly.
At Accugenix, we have PhD scientists creating validated entries on a daily basis, and they also curate. So they look at different publications to see, have new species been discovered? Did they change their name?
And all of these organisms come focused on actual bugs that you would find in the environment, which makes it relevant to anybody in the pharma world. With us providing those continuous library updates, the customer won't be left with a gap in their processes. The Bruker MALDI-TOF may be a big price tag for some customers, but relatively, when you look at the overall cost of each sample, the reagents that go into it, the analysts running it, it's very cost effective compared to running it on other systems. Whenever we implement an instrument, we will be supporting that customer every step of the way. With anything that's related to their Access system, they can come to Charles River for any support. It's really easy to use for staff because it's very minimal with the reagents that are used. You can put organisms on there within a few minutes, put the reagents on there, and then run it into your system.
One of the things that the Access platform provides out of the box is 21 CFR compliance with our validated customer web portal and the encryption process that it uses for communication from the customer's Access instrument to our secure ISO certified data center. A lot of those pieces that customers don't have to worry about.
Literally seconds do matter. Waiting for a product that cannot be shipped until they get that ID, that can be hundreds of thousands of dollars.
We're IDing bacteria, yeast, and molds via MALDI-TOF technology. That's our mission, to play a huge role in discoveries taking place in so many different industries. Every moment matters because there's so much to be discovered.